how to create Google Form header image. So first, what we need to do is just go to Canva's website. Next is just search for Google Form header here at the top. Okay, now just type enter. Just press enter on your keyboard and then look for the template that you can use. So for example, I use this one, the first one. Click on it, and of course you can also do this from scratch. Just follow the size recommended here and you can make it from scratch. So for this example, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use a template. Just click on customize template to use this template. Next here is you can just change anything here for your Google header image. So let's say instead of welcome, I'll just type in caps lock welcome, and I add a exclamation point here. So let's say I'm done editing it, right? So what you need to do is just click on share, then click on download, and of course make sure it's PNG or JPG, whatever you want, and just click on download. Now after this is downloaded, you can go to your Google Forms and you can upload this newly made Google Form header image to your Google Form. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.